Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George and this is SaaS Master. Today we're going to check out BotStar, but we're going to focus only on the white label feature. Now, I will be doing a second video of the bot building and its capabilities, but in this case, it's going to be white label. Why? Because most of us already have a bot out there. So we have a messenger bot already built. We are using other platforms, but we don't have that white label feature. So that's why I'm going to focus on this. And I'm going to let you know what I like and what I dislike about that features in BotStar. So right now, I'm showing you this video because there's a deal going on. You can grab it for $49. But if you want that white label feature, it's going to cost you $147. So it's in third code. You can get it for the white label feature at 3 codes, $147. The downside about this obviously is the limitations that they give you per session. So session means it's not each message that's sent, but it's a session that someone starts, right? So if you start and you send like 20 messages, 10 messages, it's gonna count as one session. So I think that's pretty good. And in member seats, obviously this could count as companies that you wanna use a white label for. So those things that you gotta consider. You can use your own custom domain like I have. You got branded app, custom member sign-in forms, and the dashboard. Now, let's head on over to the dashboard of BotStar, and I'm going to start off this video by telling you what I don't like about the white label feature. Just let me head on over there, and we'll find this in the account and under team, and it's right here. So what I don't like about it, first off, I can't limit the sessions that I give to the user. So let's just say I got a company and I want to have them use their own bot, so I create the account for them and they use their own bot. I can't limit them the sessions that they have. So maybe they could take up my whole 150,000 sessions if I just got the 3 codes. If I have 5 codes or 6, 7, 10, whatever, then you have more codes. You got 3 million sessions, right? But I can't limit that user how many sessions. I hope they add this feature. I don't think it's complicated for them to add it. I mean, I'm not the coder guy, but I think that's something they should add. So that's one of the downsides I don't like about it. Second thing is you don't get a landing page. So the only page that you get is this one or the one you're using for your site. I'm still waiting for it to propagate in the DNS because I just decided what page I'm gonna use. So right now, let's just go to this one. Let me log out, hold on. This is my white label one, and there's no landing page, so there's only a login page, right? So you would have to do the deal with the client that you have and say, hey, you know what? This is where you sign in and this is where you register. Now, registration doesn't work. That's another downside unless you add them first over here in member management. So first you had to add the email over here and then they could register and put their password and log in. So those are the things that I don't like about this. And the last one, and I mean, I understand why, because I think it's really complex, but there's no billing section for them. So there's no like a gateway for Stripe, for PayPal, for bank or whatever, or just me setting them like, hey, you know what? This is when your month ends and you're gonna get a receipt. There's no payment gateway available. So there's no billing gateway for this yet. I hope they add it. I hope it's in their plans. But as of now, those are the things that I don't like. Now, let's go to the good stuff. Why I do like it. Now, I like having the name that I can add it, the email that it's coming from, my logo, the website that I can use my custom domain, primary color, the mail name and the email sender, so I can set all that. Those are the things that I like. And the part that I like most is the part where they can add their own Facebook account. Now, in other type of Facebook messengers that I've been using out there, it's like, you know what? I have to be the administrator for it to work or to work fully. So it could like partially work if I'm like the editor, but it won't fully work if I'm not the admin. So I have to ask these companies to give me their trust and add me as an administrator. And I know that's really hard for some companies. Plus, I'm the one who has to build it because I'm using the platform. And in this case, it's different. So when I add a user, all right, let's just say I added this guy right now, and they log into their account. So it's this one right here. They're gonna log in. This is the page. In this case, like I said, sorry guys, I'm waiting for it to propagate fully, but my site is gonna be bot.beamemedia.com, all right? So they're gonna log into this. That's what they're gonna see. You got the logo, you got logo over here, you got logo over here on the fav icon, and you have to assign the bot to them. So in this case, all right, I'm the user and I can't add another bot. It has to be assigned for me. So for example, I have to go into the admin account, the original account. I have to assign it to them. So they have to log on over here and get on over to settings, configure. And in configuration, we got collaborators. So we have to add them right here. So I have to give them permission for this bot. Now, if I'm gonna assign them 3 bots, 4 bots, I have to create the bot and then assign it to them. So in this case, I just created a bot from scratch. So I just grabbed this and I assigned it to this one over here, right? Just to show you that. All right, so once it's assigned, people can use it, right? So I can log in right here to this bot. I can see the analytics for this bot. I haven't seen any branding about BotStar as of now. And if I head on over to the building, well, they start building, all right? They start building their bot and do that. But the part that I like most, like I said, it's that they connect their own fan page. So right here, I can reload fan pages, but it's not using the fan pages that are connected to my other account. So it's a different fan page, not fan page, it's a different Facebook account to connect your fan pages to it. That's my favorite part because I can go to business and you know what, sometimes they think my marketing service is expensive, but they want that automated messages part because it saves them time. I mean, they already tried it out. Maybe they hired me for 3 months, but they say, you know what, it's too expensive for me right now. Things are down. I really love the bot or the automatic message system, but I can't pay right now, right? So maybe you can create this bot, offer them directly to them and say, hey, you know what, I can charge you, I don't know, 20, 30, 40, $50 a month, and they have their own bot, they connect it, they control it, they build it, they do everything. So it makes it that easy in that sense. So they get all the information right here. So they got the builder, they got the connect to the fan page. They can use the website builder also if they want to put it on the website to do a live chat. You got the integrations also available. Everything is separated. You got the growth tool right there. You got the automate. You want to do this right now. You got the engage. So the information that when they start messaging. You got the manage. They got the audience, the analytics. In over here, they got the configuration. So they got these right here. They don't have the ability to add collaborators. So you got general, you got behaviors, you got export. And over here on the options, obviously it's going to remove all the options that they don't want to show you. So in this case, we only have the account information. So this is the account I created. But if I head on over to the original BotStar account, you're going to see that there's way more options. So we got all the options like billing, ticket system, in-app support, all that good stuff. So be aware that this won't be over here. So that's pretty cool. So basically it won't show BotStar anywhere. When I try to connect a Facebook fan page, I wanted to check there. Hey, does it say does it want to connect to BotStar? No, it doesn't. It says bot engine or chat engine, something like that. So it's kind of generic, right? So it works. It's not gonna say the BotStar's brand, but it's just gonna say something generic. So I think that's pretty cool. Those are the things that I like about it, that they have the way to connect their own Facebook account to connect their fan pages to this bot. That's fantastic. Like I said, I already told you what the downside is. In this case, I think it has a lot of future. Let's hope they keep developing it, and I think it's worth getting it if you want this white label featured. If we go into the sense, hey, is this bot better than the other bot? And there's a whole bunch of bots out there, trust me. And I'd say, you know what, they're on a pair right there, that it's really good. It has the features that other bots has, and probably a little bit more and a little bit less depending on the bot that you're going to compare it to. So I'm thinking, if you don't want white label features and you have another bot, then you're good. Don't get this. But if you want this white label feature, then I say go for it, even if you have another bot that has white label, because this one can get more like developed, maybe get more features than the other one. So it's good to have those two options available just in case you have another one with white label. Well guys, this is my experience that I want to show you about BotStar, and if you guys want to grab it, the link will be in the description, and the link is an affiliate link. If you buy it, it helps me out to grab the deals for you guys and show you what it's capable of, and I appreciate it really much if you buy from my link. Thank you for watching. My name is George and this is SaaS Master. I'll see you guys later.